I stand before the judge, a 1970 Pontiac GTO Judge, documented by General Motors of Canada, number match, body off frame restored, 4-speed transmission, 355 posi. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can look at 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have the price tag and the monthly payment attached. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Let's talk about this rubber bumper before it gets away. It fits really nicely. The bumper is in excellent shape. There are some hairline cracks in the paint. They're rubber, and that's just what happens to those. But you don't even see the cracks. There's some hairlines. The scooped hood is functional on the Ram Air Judge. This is all straight, clean. Fenders all nice and clean, right down to the bottom. Everything's smooth and nice and shiny and straight. All real nice, no vinyl top. Nice sail panels coming down to the quarter panels, all nice and clean. The Judge has the big rear spoiler as part of the package. All clean, the corners of the trunk lid, all nice. Same thing over here, all nice. Wheel well molding fits the car very nicely. Look at the gap, square, flush. Shuts nicely, solid. So yeah, looking really good. Repainted its original Verdoro Green. People love that color on the GTOs. The metal flake is laid out evenly. It is polished to a nice, smooth, glossy finish. You'd have to look for any imperfections. Standing next to the car, it looks beautiful. It is chipped up right here at one time when they were maybe adjusting the doors. It might have touched, but it doesn't touch now. Yeah, so up front, rubber bumpers, real nice. T3 headlights, the chrome bezels have been replaced. The grills look to be in really nice shape. It has a little chin spoiler way underneath there. It says Ram Air right on the side of the scoops. Of course, you have these bold Judge decals. That's the way they would have come. The rally wheels aren't supposed to have trim rings on the Judge unless you paid extra for them. As part of the package, Rally 2 wheels without the trim rings. They're all restored, correct center caps, the correct lug nuts, and then they're wrapped in Firestone reproduction tires. The weather strips, seals were replaced, door handles were replaced. Glass is good original. There are some scratches, some marks on it, which is typical. The original rear windows, the windshield's replaced. Rear bumpers re-chromed, has the quad exhaust tips coming out. They look like they're stainless steel. Tail lights look like they're new. So yeah, really nice looking car. Why don't we open it up? We got more to show you. All right, let's see how it looks inside the trunk. Well, under the trunk lid is painted. It has a sticker. Jam's painted. Has new weather strip. Inside the trunk is nice and solid metal with a gray spatter finish. Reproduction mat. Looks like it has a reproduction tire. It's never been used on a restored rally wheel. It has a reproduction jack. So it's clean and it's complete. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new videos are posted. Check out our website, volocars.com, as well. The jams were painted. The weather strips were replaced. Looks like the panels on the doors, armrests, those were replaced. Window cranks were replaced. The door handles look original. So it has a cap over the dash. This one came with the rally gauges, not dummy lights. And then also the tachometer. And this whole instrument panel is in very nice shape. The vents look nice. The Judge emblem looks good. New knobs on the pull vents. Kick panels look real nice. Carpet was replaced as the reproduction mats up front. Full set of original seat belts. As the original console. And the Judges came with the T-handle shifter. The armrest looks good. Seats nice and firm. They've been re-cushioned, reupholstered. Headrests have been re-dyed. The backs look like they've been replaced, and the chrome trim has been replaced. Back seats reupholstered. Side panels look to be in very good shape. Got the seat belts, new window cranks. The mesh grill or shelf in the back looks to be good. Headliner was replaced. There are some little wrinkles in the sail panels. It's very typical. Headliner looks real nice. Dome light works. Has shoulder belts. Visors have been redone. The mirror looks replaced. And has the Formula steering wheel. I love the Formula wheel. And then underneath it does have the ram air lever. When it's raining, you can close the ram air scoop so you're not sucking water into the engine. All right, let's go check out that engine. So these came with a 400 Ram Air 3. They make 366 horsepower. This is the original VIN number matching motor. We put pictures of the codes and numbers on our website. It has the right heads and intake, right valve covers. It does have an electric choke on the carburetor. Then this is the Ram Air assembly. When the hood closes, it seals right up to the scoops. Oh, this here needs to just be put back on. Ram Air exhaust manifolds. The engine bay is nice and clean, smooth metal. Motor's painted Pontiac blue, has the washers are all hooked up. Shroud looks to be in excellent shape. Everything's painted real nicely. GM hoses and clamps and spring clamp cables and Delco battery topper. And we got power steering and we got power brakes. Wiper motor looks new. So yeah, it's a really very nice motor compartment. Michael's going to take you for a ride, and we'll see you in a couple minutes.
All right, everybody. This is a really cool Judge. I'm really liking the earth tones on this one. This interior looks really cool against the green on the outside. Very nostalgic. Very awesome. What's also awesome on this car is the restoration. Very nicely detailed rotisserie restoration. And it does have the numbers matching 400 under the hood. It was rated at 366 horsepower, I believe. Ram Air 3. It's just a really cool car all the way around. It does have the manual transmission as well. Runs really good. Nice sounding exhaust. Easy power steering. Power disc brakes. 355 posi out back. We got some inclement weather and some salt on the road, so we're using our private test track. And we don't salt that, so we're good here. Give you guys a little punch here. But yeah, our shop went over this car top to bottom, and we spent about $2,000 really dialing it in, getting it all together in the condition that you see it in right here. So, fantastic runner. Great car all the way around. Contact our sales department if you want to test drive it, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So this was body off the frame restored. The whole underbody is nice clean metal, all painted. All the chassis and suspension completely apart. Steering and suspension completely rebuilt. It has the ride and handling package, which has box rear control arms, front and rear sway bars. And that's from the factory. The whole brake system's been redone. Brake lines replaced. The e-brakes hooked up. Has disc brakes in front, drum in back. The fuel system's been replaced, the tank, the line, sending unit. It does have an upgraded pipes exhaust. It's all stainless steel, has the X pipe in the middle, and sounds really nice. If you look up at the motor, it's nice, clean Pontiac blue, upgraded with a high torque starter. It does have the original manual 3-speed in there. And in back, it has its original 10-bolt rear end with 355 safety track gears. That's how Pontiac says posi. So what we have here is a very nicely restored, nice number 2 condition, nut and bolt restoration on a documented GTO. This car was sold new in Canada. GM of Canada actually kept records, so right from GM, this is verified as a genuine GTO, like you see it right here. We verified that the numbers match on the motor. The GTO Judge was just a wildly popular model back then and still is today. Go to volocars.com and talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, like how you're going to get your Judge delivered home and how to get financed if you need that too. Thanks for watching.